What's up, guys? Welcome back to today's tutorial where we get to do this beautiful rosary. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, comment, and share this content with others. And without further ado, let's hop right into making this beautiful rosary. So the materials we'll require are first this lockable lock like that, and then we'll need definitely a crucifix. We'll also need this joint that looks like this, or you can also use just a bead to do that junction. And also we'll need this black beads and the bigger size 8 uh, uh, round beads and this translucent diamond beads. Remember, this is just my specifications. You can use the colors of your desire. And last but not least, you'll also need the 0.30 millimeters fishing line. So we begin by passing our fishing line through this loop here on the crucifix once, and then now we balance it. So we cut a fishing line just approximately 12 inches long. So you fold the fishing line like that, and then we begin with the small tiny beads. We put 3 black beads there like that, followed by 1 diamond bead, the translucent one, but you can use the colors of your choice. Okay, then followed by 3 smaller beads. This is to create space, the gaps, the distance between this mysteries or the beads. So that is created by the small beads. So now we continue. Remember this outline. For the very first, after the cross, we have 1 big bead for our Father, then the 3 small beads, and then 1 final big bead. So we have put 2, now we put the 3rd one, and then now we can have the next diamond bead. I think I'll also leave guide to those of you who are interested in learning how to say the rosary. It's going to be down on the description below, so feel free to check it out on the description. And then so now we're finishing. We put our final diamond bead there, and then we put some other 3 black beads there like that, and then now we take our junction or this metal clasp there that has got the junction per se. It has got 3 holes, so we put it there, and then we fold our fishing line and pass it back through the previous beads like that, and also make a knot so that it's secure, and tuck it in until it looks like this. So you should have something like this when you're done with this first step. So on to the second step. We pick a fishing line that's of around 20 inches long and fold it and pass it. We pass it through this one loop here, and then you fold it, make sure it's balanced, and then we basically repeat the same thing that we are doing. You pick 3 small beads like this, then you release them, and then you pick 1 black bead. This is for the mysteries, where you're going to say Hail Mary, the 10 Hail Marys. So we're going to have 10 beads there, and then now after the 10 beads we have another diamond bead there, just something like that. Then you repeat the other 10 black beads, the round beads. So we're going to have a total of 50 round beads, which are usually divided into 10 groups, so that we have the 5 mysteries. I really hope that this is not complicated. I hope you're understanding this, because it's kind of a simple task. Even if you're a beginner, I'm quite sure you can do this. Just make sure that you're extra careful with your counting. Always counter check every step that you take, and I'm quite sure you can be able to do this. We also did another tutorial on how to make a rosary, but the other one, all the Hail Marys or the 50 beads had to be done physically, had to be built from scratch by the size 10 seed beads. You can check it out. The link to that video will be down on the description below. So as you can see, this side is going to have 25 beads. The round black beads, it's going to have 25 of them, so that it's half, and then we're going to put the lock so that it joins at the center. When it's at your neck, we have that division, which will look awesome at the end product. Kindly stay tuned so that you can see the end product. And for those of you who would love to get maybe step-by-step tutorials and more lengthy tutorials which are more in-depth, kindly feel free to hit me up. The link to my contacts is down on the description below, so we can maybe arrange to have sort of like a private class that will be online. I already have had other private classes with other students, and the success rate is also better because it's way slower paced, and the classes are better explained. So as you can see, we've made our progress. This is how your rosary should look like. This is half the piece, and it looks awesome in person. I really hope you can get to try it out. And then now you can also do the other side just the same way you did the first side, and you should have something that looks like this. I'm going to take this slowly, yeah, like that. And as you can see, make sure it's balanced. Make sure you've counter checked the number of beads so that there are 10 in each group, like that, and you will have your end product that looks like this. So we put the other end of the metal lock on the other end, like that. We pass it through there, and then we put sort of like a stopper, which will be one small tiny bead, and then we tie it, and you should have something like this, which is lockable and is a very pretty rosary, which you can have in an assortment of colors. Kindly feel free to hit me up. Let me know in the comment section down below what you've been able to do, and if you like this kind of tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button, and I really hope to see you on our next tutorial. Thank you guys.